How's it, guys? In today's video we're going to be looking at the second part of the position and size properties, which will be the scaling and the rotation and flipping. Just a quick intro here. So just so you guys know, this video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We've got quite a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we do upload daily, so keep an eye there for new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now let's say to locate, if you did not watch the previous tutorial, if you want to locate your position and size properties, you can navigate to the right properties panel here and select this icon with the 4 arrows. Then under those properties, then we've got here the W and the H. This is to set the scale for the height and the width. The width and the height, sorry. So then we've got an option here on the right, keep proportions. So let's first select that off so we can see the difference. So let's say we want to make the width something like 4 inches. And then once you select off this box or press enter, then it will add those changes. And let's say we make this something like 6. And you can see you can actually now set the scale of that to individual amounts if you want. Let's just undo that. Now if we select your key proportions, then if we set the size of one of these options, the horizontal or the width or the height, then it will automatically adjust this one, keeping the original proportions in mind. As you can see, so if you scaling your entire logo larger, this is a nice way to do that, especially if you need specific scales for the printing or the cutting. Then next up, let's look at here at the bottom, the rotate. Now we've got rotate to the right, so clockwise, and rotate counterclockwise, and these do work in 45-degree amounts. So we can rotate clockwise and then rotate counterclockwise, as you can see. And then next up here we've got the flip. So if we select the, let's say, a text, we can work with on objects as well. Just navigate back to our position and size. In the first one we've got flip horizontally, so you can easily do that, and then flip vertically. And this is sometimes nice if you have text and you want text under it where it looks like it's almost fading into a reflected ground or water or something like that. Then you'll use this option, the flip text, under the flip option for the vertical axis. Otherwise, yeah, that covers our position and size. And then let's just head to the website here quick. So this video and more videos like this, we can find it here on softwaretraining.co.za. As you can see here, we cover quite a range of different types of tutorials or software tutorials, and then we also have a search option on the top right here if you're looking for something specific. Otherwise, you can also go request a training video if you don't find what you're looking for, and then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching and cheers.